Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you're feeling totally overwhelmed by the sheer volume of make money online advice out there right now, well, today we're cutting right through all that noise. We're going to unpack a highly actionable, no-nonsense 2026 online income blueprint. We'll be looking directly at the data behind 10 proven methods. Think of this as a fast-paced masterclass. We're moving past the hype and focusing purely on what actually works.
Okay, let's dive into this. Right off the bat, we actually need to address a pretty staggering statistic: 95%. That is the number of people who flat out fail at making money online. You know the drill. They try one thing, hit a roadblock, quit, and then write off the whole ecosystem as a total scam. But here's the thing. That 95% doesn't fail because there's a lack of opportunity out there. No, they fail because they completely lack a system. They just don't know the actual architecture of how online wealth is built. Today, we're fixing that.
So here's the blueprint architecture we're going to speed through today. First, busting online income myths. Next, active income and microtasks. Then, content and asset creation. Following that, digital commerce and products. And finally, the ultimate goal, the $10,000 system. All right, Section 1, busting online income myths. Let's clear the foundation so we can actually build.
Here are the 3 biggest myths we literally need to punch right through today. Myth number 1, you need money to make money. Just false. Every single method we're discussing today can be initiated with exactly $0. Okay, myth 2, you need a fancy degree or some formal certification. Also false. The modern digital economy totally rewards tangible skills and portfolios, not just pieces of paper. And myth 3, which I hear all the time, it's too late to start, the market's totally saturated. Absolutely false. Global e-commerce alone is projected to hit a massive $8 trillion by 2027. I mean, the pie is expanding rapidly, and the timing has literally never been better for you to grab a slice.
Moving right along to Section 2, active income and microtasks, basically where you trade your time and effort for direct cash. And this brilliantly illustrates a massive divide on the active income spectrum. On the left, we've got freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This represents high skill. If you learn something like video editing, graphic design, or copywriting, you can easily charge $50 an hour. Work 20 hours a week and boom, that's a fast cash potential of $4,000 a month. Now contrast that with the right side, microtasking on sites like Swagbooks. Look, this is low skill. It's taking surveys, testing apps, it's accessible to literally anyone. But spending 30 minutes a day only nets you about $150 a month. Both are totally valid starting points, sure, but developing a specialized skill, that creates a massive leverage point for your time.
All right, let's shift gears to Section 3, content and asset creation. This is all about building digital assets that work while you sleep.
When we transition to digital assets, these 3 platforms offer absolutely incredible leverage. First up, YouTube automation. This lets you build completely faceless channels using AI, basically creating a passive asset library. Then there's TikTok Shop, which requires just 1,000 followers to start. And guys, the potential here is explosive. The source material highlights a simple 22-second product demo video that generated over $4,000 in revenue in just 30 days. Insane, right? And then we have stock media. You upload a photo or a video once to platforms like Shutterstock, and it earns you a 25-cent royalty every single month, forever. You do the work once, and that asset pays you repeatedly.
I actually want to zoom in on the unbelievable leverage of AI within that YouTube strategy. Check out this modern workflow. You use ChatGPT to write your script, 11 Labs to generate a highly realistic voiceover, in-video AI to assemble all the visuals, and then CapCut to add engaging captions. The total time investment for one video, about an hour. The total cost? Under $3. It's an unprecedented level of leverage. By deploying less than $3 in an hour of your day, you're creating an asset that can scale up to earn you $1,200 a month in just 6 months as your channel compounds.
Welcome to the big leagues. Section 4, digital commerce and products. We're looking at the highest margin models available right now.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the wild variance in affiliate marketing commission rates. And remember, affiliate marketing is just promoting other people's products. Amazon is obviously the easiest place to start, but they only pay out around 1 to 10%. But if you look at networks like ShareASale or ClickBank, you can actually earn up to a 75% commission. Let's just do the math on that for a second. If you promote a $100 software course at a 30% commission, you make $30 per sale. You only need 100 sales a month to make a completely passive $3,000. You don't deal with customer service, you don't even create the product. You're just providing that digital connection.
But hey, what if you actually do want to create the product? The napkin math for digital products is honestly fascinating because digital products, things like templates, ebooks, or courses, have practically zero overhead. The source outlines this great example where someone spent 8 hours creating a digital Notion template. They sold 45 copies at $27 a pop. That is over $1,200 in total revenue. Divide that by those original 8 hours of work, and it yields a massive effective return of $152 per hour. It really is the ultimate create one sell-forever digital asset.
We can also rapidly contrast two zero-inventory e-commerce methods right here. Print on demand allows you to sell custom t-shirts or mugs without ever holding stock. A $25 sale minus a $12 production cost gives you $13 of pure profit. Dropshipping is kind of similar, but with physical goods sourced directly from suppliers. You sell a gadget for $40, pay the supplier $20, and you pocket a $20 profit. In both of these scenarios, a third party is completely handling the printing, shipping, and fulfillment, which means 0 boxes piling up in your living room. Just 100 sales a month using either of these methods easily translates to thousands of dollars in automated, passive profit.
So, the crucial point is perfectly captured in this quote from our source blueprint. You don't pick one method. You combine multiple methods into a system. This completely pivots our explainer from just looking at isolated individual tactics to actually understanding the overarching wealth strategy of 2026. Individual methods make you cash? Sure. But systems? Systems build you wealth.
Which brings us to the climax of the explainer. Section 5, the $10,000 system. It's time to start stacking income streams.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Here is the actual architecture of the 4-layer stack. Layer 1 is your foundation, active income. You use freelancing or microtasks to reliably generate $2,000 a month. Once that's steady, Layer 2. You leverage your time by adding content creation, like YouTube or TikTok, scaling up another $3,000 a month. Layer 3. You start monetizing that audience with affiliate and digital products for another $3,000. And finally, Layer 4. You introduce dropshipping or print on demand for that final $2,000. When you perfectly stack these 4 individual layers, they create a beautifully automated, diversified, $10,000 a month system. However, and listen closely, because I need to deliver a really critical warning right here. Do not look at that 4-layer stack and try to build it all today. The absolute #1 mistake beginners make is trying everything at once. They'll try to launch a YouTube channel, open a dropshipping store, and freelance on Upwork all at the exact same time. Doing that is a guaranteed path to scattering your energy, making 0 progress, burning out, and eventually becoming part of that 95% failure statistic we talked about at the very beginning of this explainer. To avoid that trap, you absolutely must follow the 90-day mastery rule. This is the core takeaway of our source materials blueprint. Pick one method, just one. Master it with absolute laser focus for 90 days. Keep iterating on it until you hit your first $1,000. Only then, once that first block is super stable and producing, do you permit yourself to add a second method to the stack. Psychologically, this protects you from the overwhelm that causes so many people to just quit. Remember, wealth is built sequentially, not simultaneously. You master one single building block before stacking the next. So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Which of these 10 methods will you master first for the next 90 days? Is it going to be freelancing, YouTube automation, maybe digital products? The myths are busted and the architecture of the 10K system is crystal clear. The next step in this blueprint is completely yours to take. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and we'll catch you next time.